Hello everyone. So for this module 2, we're gonna start the module 2 this week. Especially in module 2, we are going to talk about the epidemiological calculation, including attack rate, incidence, prevalence, and mortality rate, this kind of thing. So we actually working on some epidemiological calculations, right? Yeah. So in the previous module, we talked about the introduction to epidemiology, right? So according to the epidemiology definitions, so let me share my screen with you first. So last time we talked about the definition of epidemiology, right? So epidemiology is study of the occurrence and distribution of health-related states or event in space by the population. So we learned actually measuring occurrence of disease and distribution of this disease. We can identify the disease, right? Cause of the disease. So epidemiological calculations actually involve in this measuring the occurrence of a disease, right? So we start with attack rate. So measuring occurrence of a disease. So we start with the attack rate. So the definition of attack rate is a special risk rate measuring occurrence of disease. The proportion of people who become ill with the disease in a population initially free of the disease. The proportion means there will be fractions to calculate this attack rate. So in this next slide, so it indicates the attack rate formulas. So as you can see in this slide, so to get the attack rate, we need to divide number of people at risk who develop the disease by total number of people at risk times 100. So we can get attack rate. So it is very straightforward, right? So number of people at risk who develop the disease over total number of people at risk and times 100, we can get the attack rate. So let me briefly more talk about the meaning of who at risk. So in this example, there are 150 persons in a college. Over 75 persons attended the college picnic last week, and 46 subsequently developed these gastrointestinal illness. So go back to the previous slide. So number of people at risk who developed the disease, right? So we got 46 people actually become ill, right? So we got the number here, the tops 46, right? But we also need to have this total number of people at risk. In these examples, who is at risk? 150 or 75? Which one? Think about it. A or B? Actually, answer should be B, 75. Who at risk? Even though there are 150 in a college, but all the colleges peoples didn't go to picnics, right? Yeah, only 75 people actually went to picnic. And then almost 75, 46 actually developed the disease, right? So 46 over 75 and times 100 is to how to get attack rate, right? So you actually can have clear understanding about the meaning of who and risk, right? Yeah. Okay, let's move on to the next slide. So we already talked about this, right? So 46 over 75 times 100. So we got attack rate 61 percentages, right? Yeah. Okay, so I actually have some practice questions. So here, these practice questions. So you go to the Blackboard. So modules. So we have a practice question for this in-class practice attack rate. So I strongly encourage you guys working on these questions without after pausing this video, and then you guys are actually working by yourself, and then you can actually check it out your answer with these video lectures. Okay, yeah, so I strongly encourage you guys working on this practice question by yourself, and then you guys actually check it out this your answer with this video. Okay, yeah. Okay, so let's check it out your practice question answer with me. Okay, first practice questions. What is the overall attack rate in person who did not eat ice creams? So in this graph, we might need to figure out number of people who at risk or more who did not eat ice cream, right? So how many people are actually did not eat ice creams? Total here, totals. Total here, sorry, just 40 and 30. So total 70 people did not eat ice cream. That is the fuel risk, right? So 70, right? And then how many people who developed disease or more who did not eat ice cream? 40 plus 9, 23, right? And times 100, you can get 33 percentages, right? Yeah, so that is the attack rate in person who did not eat ice creams. Okay, yeah. Okay, so next questions. Okay, yeah. You got this. And then next practice questions. What is the diet attack rate in person who ate both ice cream and pizzas? So we need to figure out how many people say actually who at risk first, right? How many people say actually ate both items? Here, a pizza and a ice cream, total 52. And then almond 52, 39 actually got 6, right? Yeah, 39. And times 100. So you got 75 percentages, right? Yeah. So you got 75 percentages, right? Yeah, easy peasy, right? Yeah. Okay. So table 1, total number of persons who ate each is faced by the combination of food items, 8 tuna and 8 egg salad. And then table 2 indicate the who ate each space combination of food items and who later becomes sick, right? Yeah. Okay. So using this table, let's get the answer for these questions. Okay. So what is the sore throat attack rate in person who ate both egg salad and tuna? So we need to figure out number of people who at least among people who ate both egg salad and tuna. So here, egg salad and ate tuna, total 75. So table 1, get the number of people who at least, and then table 2 actually indicate the total number of people become sick, right? So among these 75, 8 and tuna, how many people got sick? Here, 60, right? So 60 over 75, 100, and you can get, so let's calculate this. You can get what, yeah, you can calculate this. Okay, yeah, okay. Okay, good. 79%, right? Yeah. So next, attack rate questions. Calculate attack rate for boys and girls separately. So we need to calculate the attack rate for boys and girls. So we need to have a two attack rate, right? Yeah. So let's get the boys first. Boys, attack rate include the all case. How many people are who at least? Number of students, boys 380. And then they live in the dorm, right? And then they also have a 46 actually living in home. So 426, right? And then how many people got sick? Here, 40 boys and 3 boys here. So 43. And times 100, you got 10 point percentages, right? 10.1 percentage or something like that. Okay, yeah. And girls, 343 plus 77, that is the number of people who at least, right, for girls, right? So 420. And then 12 plus 2, so 14 over 420, right? Yeah. It should be 3.3 percentages, right? Yeah. Okay, so for boys, the attack rate include the all case, 43 over, and total number of people who are risk boys 46 plus 380, so 43 over 426 and times 100, we get 10%, and girls actually 14 over 420, you got 3.3 percentages, right? Yeah. Okay. Let's moving on to next ones. So for this one, so we need to go to the blackboard again. For this one, so here is the attack rate worksheet. So please download this. Okay, this is the attack rate worksheet. Okay, so table 3.3.14 here. So as you can see in this table, so let me 3.14. So this table. So these tables. So using this table, we need to calculate the attack rate. Okay. So let me show you how to calculate this attack rate with this. Okay. Yeah. So there are how many people actually in this tables? You can see, scroll down, the number of persons here. So totals, we have 49 peoples in these tables, right? How many food items? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So bread, butter, turkey, potato salad, milk, and yellow, right? So we need to actually basically calculate each food item's attack rate. Okay, yeah. So we can calculate the 6 different food items attack rate. Okay, yeah. So we have a total of 49 peoples, right? Yeah. And then this check mark indicate the person number ones ate turkey, potato salad, milk. And then this person's actually got sick. Okay. Number 2, this person ate bread, butter, potato salad, milk, but this person not sick. Okay, so this time indicator when these persons actually become start to be sick. Okay, so means sick, and then not ill, X mark, this person not sick. How about the number 9? This person ate turkey and milk and yellow, right? Yellow. And then this person not sick, like this. So you know how to read this table right now, right? Yeah. So using this information, we need to calculate each food items actually attack rate. Okay, yeah. So we need to calculate total number of people ate the bread first. So how many people actually ate the bread? We kind of will calculate that one now. Let's count that one first. Bread here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. Actually, almost 49, 31 people actually ate this bread. So you put this one number here. Person eating food, totals, bread. Actually, you can put this 31 here. 31 here, right? For bread. After that, almost 31, we need to also count how many people got sick or not, right? So in order to calculate this, we need to figure out this. So number 2, sick or not. So this person not sick. So 1. And number 3, this person sick. Number 7, not sick. Number 8, sick. We only count number of people who had people who had read this item only right now. So 11, not sick. 12, sick. And 14, sick. 15, 16, 17. So 15, 6, 16, 6, 17, and not sick, and 17 not sick. And 18 now. 19, sick. 20, sick. So like this, we actually count each of number of people, especially who had ate the bread, and then we need to figure out how many among them, how many people got sick and how many people got didn't sick or something like that. So you actually have a number, right? So putting here, so as I mentioned, total 31, right? And then if you count number of people who had sick, who sick was 16, and then not sick is 15. So we got this number from this table. How we can get the attack rate? So think about the formula. So the top total number of people at risk who developed the disease. So here 16, right? And then total number of people who at risk. Who at risk is not 49, okay? So the bread, this item only 31 people ate, right? So 31 and times 100. Times 100. So you got 51% 6 attack rate for this bread. Like this, you can calculate the attack rate for butter, turkey, potato salad, milk, and yellow. And then you can identify the cause of disease. So probably the cause of disease is the highest attack rate, right? Yeah. So I hope you guys are actually doing this one, okay, by yourself. So this one is the kind of same thing that I just mentioned, right? Yeah. So basically you got this. Okay, yeah. So total, then you get same things, right? Yeah.